This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. This is a shelter-in-place reminder for the entire state of Blizzardia. Please make sure that you are properly barricaded. If you want to ensure your safety, we recommend to use an upper floor if you are able to unbarricade the stairs with anything to slow them down if they get in, so that you would have enough time to call for help. We would also like to warn that emergency services are currently overwhelmed due to heavy snow. We also have some updates regarding the portal to the now called Frost Dimension. We have found 3 exact same portals in random areas of the state. Everyone within 5 miles of the portals were evacuated. We have left cameras and our researchers near them and saw 2 new types of entities coming out of them. That being frost vines and living crystals. A frost vine has a similar appearance to a frost hunter, however, it seems to not have any legs and his veins are coming out of the body. A living crystal seems to be an actual living ice crystal, with blue veins all over it and a pair of humanoid legs. We are unsure as to what purpose they have. Please, if you spot these creatures, call SAOV as soon as you can. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and always stay vigilant.